This is Ronnie Barnes at Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia. This video is for Greg. I want to thank you for inquiring about this very nice 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's an LTZ. There's a local trade-in. It has the 5.3 V8, and this thing is super nice. Very loaded. Everything that you can imagine. I don't know that you can put anything else on this. Show you the wheels. This is an LTZ. Has a tonneau cover on the back. Has your backup park sensors. Tow package. I'm not sure, but I think that's a backup mirror. Backup camera, excuse me. It is loaded, loaded, loaded. Has the heated seats, all the power windows and mirrors and door locks. These step bars will move in and out. This is about as nice and as clean as you're going to find. Non-smoker. Only has 56,976 miles. The guy that owned this did work for us. He's one of our vendors. Has the navigation. Power adjustable pedals, park sensors, traction control. Even has a DVD. Sunroof. The carpet is clean. This is one super nice truck. Those step boards move in and out on both sides. Greg, I want to invite you to come and check it out, or give me a call at 1-800-226-2963. Again, this is Ronnie Barnes at Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia. Hope you're having a good day. I'm sure you got some questions. Please give me a call. 1-800-226-2963. Thanks so much.